How to find transit pin on Bank of America. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. To find your transit number in Bank of America, you can open up the application of it. Make sure that you're signed in or logged in into your account. In your account details, you can easily find your routing number, that is a transit number, as it is displayed in the home page of your Bank of America mobile banking app. Now, if this option is not visible to you, you can check out some of the check and the deposit slips that you have deposited before. In it, you should easily locate the transit number, otherwise named as the routing number. You can check on this bank statement where you have deposited your checks or the history of your check deposit. Right at the bottom of bank name, you should locate the option routing number, that is your transit number. If not, go ahead and check out your physical checkbook. At the bottom of it, you will find some of the numbers. At the last of it, you should find a ACH routing or so-called transit number. By this way, you'll be able to easily find transit number. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.